It's August 13th. Angie, what are you going to do?
Belly flop.
Okay, scoot down a little bit.
Ready?
Red. Good job. You want to do another one? You want to do another belly flop? I guess not. Angie is 3.5. She's doing a great job swimming in our pool. Do another belly flop.
No.
All right. Show Daddy how you can touch your butt to the bottom.
Okay. It's working.
Good job. Say hi, Daddy. Good job. Turn around and say something to Daddy.
Hi.
Blow Daddy a kiss. Love you, Daddy. Oh, look. Did you get that spit right in your face?